Shadow DPS here on a very hot Friday afternoon. Man, it's about 95 degrees out today. But I wanted to ride the bike today. I wanted to get out, get on the Striker, and use it for my commute today. So I decided to go ahead and take her out for a spin. So I hope everything is going pretty well for you guys. Things are going well for me. I am looking forward to the weekend. I've got absolutely nothing to do this weekend, which is an awesome feeling. So I might take the opportunity to do some riding in the local area. I haven't ridden the Super Tenere in a while, so I might ride downtown tomorrow morning, run some errands, maybe go out to the hill country, take the drone out, do some flying. Yeah, should be a pretty good weekend, hopefully. But I do have to watch the basketball playoffs tomorrow. Not really into the NBA, but during this time of the year, I like to check out the last few playoff games and the finals. My favorite sport by far is college football. But yeah, I'll check out NBA and NFL every once in a while. But yeah, I bought a brand new helmet. This Arai Signet that I've got on my head right now. I just purchased it maybe a couple of weeks ago. My black HJC, I've had it for, about 5 years now. Yeah, about 5 years. I got it back in 2013, I believe. Yeah, I had that helmet for about 5 years, and I've got a white HJC modular helmet that I really don't like. Not very comfortable, and it's pretty loud as well. So I decided to go ahead and spend the money on a decent helmet that'll last for a while. And I hear good things about Arai helmets. They are expensive, but you get what you pay for, right? You get what you pay for. I've got nothing against HJC helmets. I love my black helmet. It's treated me well for 5 years. But yeah, this Arai helmet, man, it's super comfortable. And this is my first motovlog with it, so see how it sounds. Pleasantly surprised by this helmet. I was looking at Shoei helmets. I was looking at the RF 1200, but decided to go with the Arai, and so far, no regrets. The only thing I don't like about the helmet is lifting the visor isn't as easy as the HJC helmet. It's like a two-step process, and I'll provide a detailed review sometime in the future once I have a few more miles with this helmet. But yeah, so far it's cool. No issues. One thing about the Striker, I keep trying to reach for the 6th gear, and I keep forgetting that this bike doesn't have 6 gears, which is my only complaint on this bike. 5 speed only. It's all good. I love this bike all the same. Yeah, the wind noise on the highway is acceptable. Not very loud at all. Man, guys out here doing that construction in this heat. I got a lot of respect for these guys who work out in this crazy heat, this Texas heat. Because it is hot out here today. It's about 95 degrees right now. It's gotta be. I'll check once I stop. But anyway, yeah, that's all I got for you today. And I will talk to you very soon. Stay safe. Peace.